Hello, guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we are going to learn how to copy Twitter profile link. Let's begin. Open your Twitter first, then tap on your profile icon or a person icon on your top left corner, then tap on profile. There, you can see the option on your top right corner, three buttons. Tap on it, tap on share. Here you can see the link of x.com. Copy it. Here you can also see the option of quick share WhatsApp, Instagram, Gmail, anywhere you want to share your .com. And here you can see the option of copy. Tap on it. Then your profile link has been copied. Now you can paste it anywhere you want, and you can share it with your friends as well.